I heard somebody checking in from Ontario. This is KC9VKV.
Sitting here in the coal country, Jim, Sudbury, Ontario. It's minus 29 below. This is Victor Alpha 3 Charlie Romeo Echo, operator rolling.
Roger, Roger. I did have to switch over to the Northeast Pennsylvania SDR to copy you, sir, but when I did that, you were like about a 7 over, Roger.
Roger. Oh, for sure. Well, thank you so much. I got you about a 20 over. 20 over up here in Ontario.
Roger that. And if you would, come back with your call sign slowly, phonetically.
Victor Alpha 3 Charlie Romeo Echo, operator rolling.
Operator Rolly, Roger.
Roger. Yeah, that's right. Operator Rolly, Romeo Oscar Lima Lima Yankee, Sudbury, Ontario.
Excellent, excellent. Hey, do you ever hear anybody coming out of Montreal?
No, I don't get Montreal much for some reason. I don't know. Ontario, I don't get too much out into Quebec. I normally get a lot of state and south. I get a lot of south there, like Toronto and stuff like that there, Jim. I'm about 350 miles northeast of Toronto Central.
Roger that. Well, I don't hear anything out of Montreal either, and that's one of my mantras. I say from Montreal to Miami, you know, and I was listening on the SDRs today, and I got a SDR down in Miami, and I could hear myself fairly well, and then I got a SDR up around Montreal, and I could hear myself fairly well up there, but I don't hear anybody coming back, Roger.
Yeah, it's funny, eh? And I'm the same way here, and look how close I am to the Quebec border. I'm awful close to the Quebec border. I'm probably about, I would say, Jim, I'm about 500 miles to the Quebec border here, and I don't get any Quebec. I get a lot of states there, believe me. State is about 90% of my contacts, and I get a lot of Toronto area.
Roger that, Raleigh. And what kind of antenna are you running?
I'm just running just a wire antenna. It'll bring me up to about 80 meters. I can't get any more than 80 meters out of this wire antenna. That's about 90 feet down to the corner of my fence and about 40 feet off the ground. Go ahead.
Roger, Roger. Well, you're doing real well there. You definitely are doing real well. And I'll say threes to you while I got it down. And if you can, jump back on next Friday and say hello. We'd love to hear you, Roger.
You, Roger? Oh, definitely, Jim. Definitely. I always look forward to talking to you guys too there. So I'm going to let you go there, and I'm not going to take any more much time out of your time there. And it's been a pleasure, Jim, and I'll put you my logbook here, and I'll definitely be working you again. So 73, Jim, from my family to yours, and God bless your state. From Victor Alpha 3 Charlie Romeo Echo, Sudbury, Ontario.
Roger, Roger. Three's that away, sir. You have a real good evening. And if you want to hear your audio, if you go to YouTube and do a call letter search for Kilo Charlie 9, Victor Kilo Victor, that will take you to our Qso-Vlog page. And on that page, look for a session called My Group AIRCHECK 11119. My Group AIRCHECK 11119. Threes. This is KC9VKV listening.